Good afternoon. Scott from Marto's Motorsports. Lot number 4461C is in cat. Here we have a Kawasaki STX 1100 with 147 hours on the gauge. Gauge is absolutely mint. It's got low compression in the center cylinder. We're going to part this machine out. If you need parts off this boat, give Marto's Motorsports a call at 218-844-4968. Turn the key on. Use my other hand. The year on this machine is a 1998. The model of it is a Sport TOURER 1100. We did a spark test, and spark is great, so the CDI is good. It will start and run, but runs really rough with the low compression. Located in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. If you want to buy parts off this machine, give us a call. We can ship your parts for you too. Our phone number's in the background at 218-844-4968. This is also a Minnesota freshwater boat. The hull is available for sale as well. It does come with a Minnesota title. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day.